I would like to emphasize on this point. There are only two reasons why you seek help from any occult science practitioners. Reason one is you have a challenges, right? And you want to overcome it, right? So first of all, जैसे हम लोग को, we all have challenges, right? So why don't you just talk to your friends? And why do you want to, why do you approach occult sciences? Because you are seeking information how to overcome these challenges. You all agree? Yes, no? Quickly, yes, no, yes, no. This is going to be very, very interactive session. Okay? Correct. Fine. And the second reason is you have goals. We all have goals, dreams, wishes, bucket list hota hai sabka, right? So we all have goals, dreams, wishes, and everything, and we want to fulfill it, right? You agree? Correct? And we want to know कि सच में वो possible है या नहीं है, right? For example, I'm at point A and I want to reach to point say M. How should I reach there, right? Okay, for example, I have just 100 rupees. I want to, create 100 crores in my life. This is what my goal is. Then how should I achieve it? Am I right? Correct? So there are only two reasons, uh, okay, to overcome challenges and to achieve goals. Fine. Chalo. So now, keeping this perspective in your mind, okay, now सब लोग ने हाँ हाँ yes yes true true answer दिया है. Now, keeping this perspective in your mind, that we approach occult sciences practitioner to overcome our challenges and achieve our goals. Now, keeping this perspective in your mind, now tell me how tarot or occult sciences will help you. Are you clear about the question? Keeping this perspective in your mind, now tell me how tarot card reading or any occult sciences readings, modalities, how it is going to help you. Guidance, yes, true. Okay, you'll get guidance. Okay, what else? Right answer, absolutely right answer. What else do we get? All right. थिंक अबाउट इट. सो मान के चलो आपने कभी रीडिंग आपका खुद का किया है, तो क्या बताया है आपको रीडर्स ने? आपका पास्ट के बारे में बताया है? What, how was your experience? I think many people have answered that yes, we have already availed, these kind of a services. So when you approached, I don't know what is tarot card reading, I want to learn from. That's okay, that's okay. So मान के चलो, so Deepak, you even if you don't know about tarot cards, it's okay. I'm going to teach you in this session today. But I'm sure you must have approached any other occult science practitioners. How was your experience? Okay. So my question is, keeping this perspective in your mind, that why do we approach? Because we want to overcome challenges and because we want to achieve our goals. Keeping this perspective in your mind, how occult science reading or any tarot card reading will help you? All right, ठीक है. So now let's move on. Okay, so guidance is the right answer, definitely. So now let's understand what happens in a reading. Okay, so now आपने आपके लाइफ में ओला उबर कभी बुक किया है, right? So for example, I'm here right now. I want to reach to a different city or a different place, and मैंने ओला बुक किया है, right? Fine. So when I book Ola or taxi using app, I can actually see, okay, that taxi is here. Okay, I'm here in Mumbai, for example, at place A, and I want to reach to place B. And when I book Ola or cab, I can see the Ola is somewhere. Okay, fine. Now, using the app, I can see that, okay, now it is taking right turn, now it is taking a left turn, now it is stuck in the traffic jam. Oh, it will take another, वहाँ पर traffic है, so it will take another 15 minutes to reach to me, right? Are you all with me? Yes, simple example. Are you able to relate to this example? So now I have booked Ola. So this is just, so any occult sciences, जो भी reading मिलता है using any occult sciences, it is just like taking status. Why do we need app? We need to know the status. Okay. Ola hasn't arrived at my doorstep yet. It is my future. You understand? And you all understand future is not fixed. So now app में दिखा रहा है Ola is 5 minutes, it will take 5 minutes to reach, but suddenly something happens, okay, and what if your cab is stuck in the traffic jam? It will show, okay, it may take another 10 minutes. You all agree with me, right? So reading offered by tarot card using any occult science modality, be it astrology, palmistry, numerology, टैरो कार्ड रीडिंग, जो भी आप रीडर के पास जाते हो तो रीडर क्या करता है, आपके पास्ट के बारे में बताते हैं, शायद ये हुआ था आपके लाइफ में, राइट, फाइन, ओके, अभी ये हो रहा है आपके लाइफ में, यू अग्री, और शायद ये हो सकता है आपके लाइफ में. इट इज जस्ट एज यूजिंग ऐप, ओके, एंड आई एम जस्ट चेकिंग द स्टेटस कि कहाँ पर है. डू आई हैव कैन आई डू आई हैव अ रोल टू प्ले हियर? आई एम जस्ट अपडेट, आई एम जस्ट अवेयर, and the app is updating me all the statuses. You all agree? Are you able to relate with yes, no, yes, no, quick, 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 so that I will understand, you know. Thank you so much, Prerna. Thank you so much. Correct. Fine. So, any reading, when you approach any tarot card reader or occult sciences practitioner, this reading is just about taking status from the energies. Fine. Now, let's just take an example. Okay. Imagine a person. Okay. Imagine a person who has lost his job. Okay, who has a family responsibilities and who is struggling to, manifest or struggling to get a new job. Okay, and he's very frustrated. Stress levels are quite high. He's in desperate need to get a job, and he approaches any occult sciences practitioner, be it tarot ho, numerology, jo bhi ho. Currently, I'm just talking in general. We are going to talk in detail about tarot. Okay, so don't worry. So currently, first just now try to correlate this Ola app or online taxi booking app where you can get the status to this particular example. Okay, so now this person approaches any reader, and that reader जो भी modality use करते हैं, numerology हो, palmistry हो, उन्होंने बोला कि sir, I don't think so. So what I understand from your energies is that suddenly something happened in your company, and you had a big fight and you were thrown out of the company, and that person is impressed. Wow, yes, 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 correct. आपको कैसे पता चला? सच में मेरे साथ ये हुआ है. Yes, of course, being the occult science practitioners, we can read the energies, right? Fine. So now again, उन्होंने past तो बराबर बताया, प्रेजेंट भी बराबर बताया कि नाउ यू आर वेरी मच स्ट्रेस्ड, इतना स्ट्रेस हो कि रात यू आर नॉट एबल टू स्लीप पीसफुली एट नाइट. ओके, and it is affecting your physical health and so much. Again, that person is impressed. Wow, yes, present to बहुत अच्छा बताया. So now coming to the future, and that occult science practitioners, tells that client, I've checked your energies, I've checked your future. So I don't think so that you will get job in coming 8 to 10 months. Now tell me, what would be, just put yourself in that person's shoes and imagine what would be your reaction. What would be your reaction? Just imagine I'm that occult science practitioner, and you are the one who's asking me these kind of this question, and I'm giving you this answer. It will take another 8 to 10 months. How will you feel? Just quickly sharing 1 or 2 words. Can we have sharings, please? Interactive session, guys. Yes, come on. How would how just put yourself in that person's shoes and think how that person will feel. Yes, Shalu, Deepak, come on, Prerna, Naina, Sneha, come on. Any answers? Any sharing?
So you can put yourself in their shoes exactly and just imagine what
Very
that
tense. Feel
situation will
good.
be.
Feel good, Sneha. Fine, ठीक है. Very tense. So Deepak, you are right. So imagine, Sneha, imagine a person, okay, who has EMIs to pay, who's got a financial responsibility. Suddenly, yeah, exactly. Very stressful, right? Fine. Yes. Now you're understanding. So now let me kind of satisfied but disappointed. Yes, satisfied because and then I'm just loving your answers. Why he would feel satisfied and why he would not feel, why he would feel disappointed. All right. So, next question would be, so will knowing status help you overcome the problem? Going back to our basics, you all said, right? Why do we approach any occult science practitioner? Because we want to overcome our problems, the challenges that we have. Exactly. Exactly. You're right, Sneha. Absolutely right, Sneha. Absolutely right, Naina. So he will feel कि चलो कभी ना कभी तो होगा, after 8 months के 10 month के बाद में होगा. But because he got the job but not soon, exactly he'll get disappointed because अगर मान के चलो 8 to 10 months के बाद मिले तो how do I pay my EMIs? Okay. So it is not easy, right? So currently, we're just discussing a very hypothetical situation, but but imagine you really put yourself into that person's shoes. It's not easy to accept, right? You all agree? So the next question would be: will knowing status help you overcome the problem? Just so the reading, जो भी उसको मिला है, as just we discussed, couple of seconds ago. So offering reading is just like a reading the status, पास्ट का स्टेटस, प्रेजेंट का स्टेटस, फ्यूचर का पॉसिबिलिटीज. ओके. सो विल जस्ट नोइंग स्टेटस हेल्प यू ओवरकम द प्रॉब्लम? यस, नो, क्विक 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 आंसर. एग्जैक्टली. करेक्ट.